Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, and today we are standing here beside the 2024 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. This is a perfect little boat for hauling to the ramp by yourself, in and out of the water, super easy. Something easy just to take the sandbar with a small family. And come back towards the back, even with a couple people, up to 4 people on this boat, the 60 horsepower is powered by ease and good fuel economy with a 12-gallon fuel tank. And if you come over here, as you face back towards the back, see in the back you have 2 rod holders and a nice live well that's also insulated so you could use it for a cooler for the day. Let's hop inside, let's look at the helm and the bow area. Yeah. Hey guys, now that we're here at midship and the bow of the 15 Montauk, I do want to point a few things at the helm, like your 7-inch Simrad screen, your VHF and your JL audio. So good little package here so you can see your charts and your bottom. VHF if you need to use it to call somebody, and your nice little audio for this boat. Coming towards the bow, you do have 4 more rod holders built into the console, your small igloo cooler, and then towards the front you fold your cushion up, your anchor locker here, and from the factory a rigged trolling motor panel if you did want to add a small trolling motor to this boat for fishing. Like I said again guys, my name is Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Y'all have a good day.